Boy, the holidays sure do sneak up fast, don't they? 2 or 3 weeks in, and I always realize that there's somebody I forgot on my list. Fortunately, as woodworkers, we have a secret weapon: time, tools, and wood. Here are 5 of my favorite build projects that you can build out of the scrap bin in a day or two. A wine caddy is an instant crowd pleaser for your wine-loving friends. And this is an incredibly simple build, even if you don't have a template. Grab a scrap board about 12 inches long and 4 to 5 inches wide. You can glue up a couple of thinner boards to create a cool pattern if you want to. Here's the layout. Drill a large 1.5-inch hole right in the exact center of the board. Then, drill 2 7/8-inch holes about 2 inches from either long edge right on the center line. Now, use your table saw, router, or bandsaw to cut a 1/2-inch channel connecting the long edge of the board to those outside holes. This allows the wine glass stem to slide right in. Round over all the edges and holes, sand it smooth, and apply your favorite finish. And presto! A magical bottle and wine glass holder. Next up, the passive phone speaker box. These are fantastic for using up those squarish end cuts that you get from making cutting boards and other pieces. Cut 5 or 6 3/4-inch thick squares that are about 4 or 5 inches on all sides. Now, cut a 2 to 3 inch diameter speaker hole in all but one of them. Glue them all together, keeping the back piece the solid one. Now for some magic. Route a channel across the top of the second to last layer large enough for your recipient's cell phone and case to sit in securely. Drill a 3/8-inch hole from the bottom of that channel down into the large speaker cavity below, lining up exactly with the phone's speaker. Give the front hole a heavy chamfer to make it look sharp, and then sand and finish. For an added touch of style, you can glue a piece of decorative fabric between the first and second layer to serve as a speaker screen. An elegant wooden bread knife is always an appreciated addition to any kitchen, and it's a high-end gift that's super easy to make. I recommend starting with a template to make shaping easier and to make it easier to build more than one at a time. Grab an appropriately sized scrap piece and cut out the basic shape on the bandsaw. I typically use pieces that are about 12 to 14 inches long and 2 inches wide. Route everything flush with a templating bit to the template that you have. Round over the edges and spend time sanding the handle until it feels perfect in the hand. Finally, apply your finish and install the blade. This is a quick project with a high-end presentation. Our fourth item is the ultimate last-minute gift: cutting boards. I try to keep a few extra on hand, but if I ever run out, I head straight to the scrap bin. There's usually enough maple and cherry in there to cobble together at least a 10 by 12 inch board. Take the time to really think about the board layout. 10 minutes of arranging scraps makes a huge difference in the final look. If you absolutely need to buy new lumber, that's fine too. It just means a little extra time milling it down. Either way, a beautiful handmade cutting board is always a winner. Finally, we have the customizable and functional coat or towel rack. This needs a little bit of planning, just make sure you know the recipient has a spot for it. But the build is fundamentally very easy. Grab a board that's at least 6 inches wide and as long as you need. I typically space hooks 12 to 16 inches apart, so you can decide how many hooks you want to decide the length. The core build is simple, so focus on making it pretty. You can sandwich a contrasting piece of wood for a pop of color, use a router to add a custom profile to the edges, or leave everything square for a simple rustic look. For hanging, your easiest option is often to countersink holes on site and plug them, or you can use a keyhole bit for a completely hidden mount. Just drill your holes, install your hooks, and you've completed your most robust gift. There are literally 100 other scrap wood projects that woodworkers can bust out in a weekend. What are some of your go to favorite last minute gift ideas? Drop a comment below to let me know. And don't forget, if you need more detailed build videos for any of these projects, click on one of the links below. They're all available on my channel. Happy building and happy holidays.